Hello everyone. So we'll understand what is precision, what is recall, and what is F1 score. Okay. So for that, first in short, we will understand what is confusion matrix. Okay. So confusion matrix is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay. For binary classification problem I am talking about. Okay. So it is a 2 cross 2 matrix which gives the relation between the actual values and predicted values. Okay. So this is true positive, for which what is true positive? When the actual output is 1 and your model also predicted 1. What is true negative? When the actual output is 0 and your model also predicted 0. Okay. What is false positive? That is FP, when the actual output is 0 but your model predicted 1. And what is false negative? When the actual output is 1 but your model predicted 0. Okay, so all these things are taken care by confusion matrix. So now what is precision, recall, and F1 score? These are the evaluation, or you can say performance matrices extracted from the confusion matrix for classification model. Okay, for classification models. Okay, these are the evaluation performances. Evaluation parameters. Okay. So let's understand first what is precision. Precision is out of total predicted positive results, how many results were actually positive? How many results were actually positive? Okay, so the formula for precision is given by TP divided by TP plus FP. So out of total predicted positive values, how many are actually positive? Okay. What is recall? Recall is given by out of total actual positive values, how many positive model predicted correctly? Okay, so the formula for recall is TP, that is true positive, divided by true positive plus false negative. So out of total actual positive values, how many your model predicted correctly? This is given by recall. Recall is also known as sensitivity. Okay, so in some of the data set, precision is important. In some of the data sets, recall is important. Okay, but when both are important, we'll come towards the F1 score. So F1 score is given by the formula 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. So this is F1 score when precision and recall both are important. And when precision is important and when recall is important, this totally depends on the problem statement. So we will have some examples on where the precision is important and where is recall is important. We'll see this in next video. Okay, so for today we have learned what is precision, recall, and F1 score. Real examples we'll see in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.